Hey guys, so who loves TJ Maxx makeup? I am going to show you my amazing finds and steals from TJ Maxx's makeup aisle, because TJ Maxx's makeup aisle, if you don't know, you need to go. I, of course, took them out of the box and already used them. However, I kept the box because I want to prove to you what a steal I got this product for. So, this is the Laura Geller Nude Attitude palette, which I got for $7.99. Yeah, I got a high-end eyeshadow palette for $7.99. So this is my Laura Geller Nude Attitude eyeshadow palette, and I wear this to work. I love it, and it's so perfect for spring, and I'm just so happy I got this eyeshadow palette for $7.99. And it comes with this huge mirror, and it's just perfect for travel. It's so cute, and like I said, $7.99 is a steal. So I also got this Cover Fix Highlighting Rose Gold Bar Highlighting Palette. And this is what the box looks like. This was only $10. Only $10. And this is what she looks like. She's so pretty. She's rose gold. And it comes with these 3 beautiful highlighters, which of course I've been using because, you know, they're so pretty. And it comes with a mirror, and for $10, like, these highlights are amazing, and I just cannot believe the steal I got for only $10. And I got this amazing Pure Blush book. It's like a blush palette, and this was only $7.99 for 4 blushes. So if you do the math, it's about $8 divided by 4 is like $2 a blush, which is such a steal, like a steal. So this is my Pure 4-in-1 blush book. Look how beautiful, so pretty. And let me tell you, this has fantastic reviews, and the blushes are so pigmented. Super, 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 super amazing pigmentation. Almost too pigmented. Like, you know, blush is just like too pigmented. Kind of like that. But I know when I get my tan on this summer, these blushes will be like my go-to. I love them. Love them. So pleased, so impressed. And $2 a blush, like, what a steal. Like, I'm telling you, if you're not buying makeup in TJ Maxx's makeup section, like, why? You need to. Like, I'm telling you right now, and there's a bunch of YouTube videos out there on people that worked at TJ Maxx that know like little secrets and whatnot that you should watch, because that's when you know to go. Like, you know their secrets, so you will get even better deals. So I'm telling you, you need to be shopping TJ Maxx's makeup section. So next is this Buxom Lip Gloss, and usually these Buxom lip glosses go for about $20 a lip gloss. They are amazing, and they are lip plumping, and yeah. So when I used to work at Ulta, these were very, very popular. So this lip gloss is only $5.99 for this beautiful lip plumping Buxom lip gloss, and this is in the shade Ashley, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful nude shimmer gloss. Like, look how pretty. I absolutely love it. I'm wearing it on my lips right now. I'm wearing this lip gloss on my lips right now with a lip liner, and I just love this lip gloss. It was such a steal, and I'm so happy TJ Maxx had it for like $5.99. Like, yes. So I have 2 more eyeshadow palettes, and these are drugstore eyeshadow palettes. They are the Milani Bold Confessions and the Milani Soft and Sultry eyeshadow palettes. I don't have the boxes for these, but they were $5.99. And in each side, each palette, you get this huge mirror, and you get 12 beautiful shades. And I'm telling you, these Milani eyeshadow palettes, which I would have never tried because I thought they were like drugstore eyeshadow palettes. These palettes are, oh, they are pigmented. They have amazing pigmentation and they are so beautiful. So beautiful. I have a tutorial with this one and I'll link it below, but like, oh my goodness. For $5 and you get 12 eyeshadows that are this pigmented and amazing, whew, like, I'm telling you. These Milani eyeshadow palettes are amazing and they're only $5 at TJ Maxx. $5. So this is the Soft and Sultry, which is a bit cool tone smoky eye palette. And they are just so great. They're so great, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to buying more Milani eyeshadow palettes. My theory is if you see anything Milani at TJ Maxx, like they're so cheap and super marked down, you might as well buy it because I'm telling you, like very few Milani products have disappointed me. Very few. So this is a blush that I am wearing today. It's Luminous and I absolutely love it. This blush was $2.99. $2.99, and it is the Hermosa Rose blush. She is so beautiful and she has like a luminosity to her and it's like pink, brown. I have very fair skin right now, so it looks good on my skin, but I like can't wait to use this during the summer. It's beautiful. And at first I was like, I'm not gonna buy it, I don't need it, blah, blah. But I was like, it's $2.99, so I'm gonna buy it. So I bought it and I am like so impressed. It's like my new current favorite blush. And yeah, it's so great. And the last product for my TJ Maxx amazing makeup haul is the Milani Highlighter, which is $2.99. And it's in the shade Sunlight. Spotlight Sunlight 01. And look how beautiful. Like this highlight reminds me of a high-end highlight. So beautiful. And I know this highlight will be like my go-to during the summer because it's got that bronze pink. I can't wait to use this highlight when I'm tanner, but I'm just so pleased and obsessed. It's beautiful. It was $2.99. Like I said, Milani is killing it. Killing it. Like if you see Milani at TJ Maxx and the prices are like $2.99, $4.99, you need to get them because I'm telling you, you are gonna be like, holy cannoli, this is a steal. So that completes, so that completes all of my TJ Maxx makeup haul. Thank you so much for watching and please subscribe.